Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my $10,000 debt payoff plan and June budget for 2019. If you are interested in my debt payoff plan, please stick around for the entire video and subscribe to my channel. So, we are going to start by taking the pages out of the Happy Planner so it can give me some room to write. Also, I'm going to be writing out my monthly expenses as well as the due date and the amounts. Right? Later, you guys are going to see that I barely have any expenses, but they're low. It's only a few expenses, but they're large amounts. So my monthly income is $2,400, but my expenses are $1,755 monthly, and then the debts that I have are for my furniture, which is $890, my car, which is $4,083.92, and then my personal loan, which is $4,759.05. That's a total of $9,732.97, but over the course of this year, it will be close to $10,000. So we're just going to be rounding it up because of interest. Alright, you guys, so I had to do a lot of adding, subtracting, multiplying, everything to get my numbers correct for my debt payoff plan. So basically we came up with that I'll have an extra $645 extra for every month, but what I'm going to stick with is just $600 left over because I know that anything can happen, so I'd rather just have that little extra $45 to work with. Also, I forgot to mention, the reason I want to do this is because I want 2020 to be my year where I don't owe anyone any money, which will be very exciting. So if you guys want to stay tuned with my journey to paying $10,000 off in debt, please subscribe. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to zoom in more on this part and so you guys can see better what I'm doing, and so it'll be easily interpreted when you're watching the video. So each box represents $100. We're going to be showing, I'm going to be showing how I'm going to be paying off this debt. So basically, for the furniture bill, I already pay $120 a month. And then for my car, $300 a month. And then for my personal, $300 a month. So that's already there. So within the 7 months, I will already be paying $360 for the furniture bill, $2,100 for the car, and then $2,100 for the personal. So that will already be paid for. For the furniture bill, that will leave me, let's see, that'll leave me with $530 left to pay on top of that $360 that I'm already going to pay by default. And then for the car, that'll leave me with $2,000 because I already paid my $2,100 left that I have to pay for the rest of the year. And then for the personal, $2,100, but that will leave me with $2,700 to pay for the rest of the year, which I know I can do. So basically, it was easy to knock out the furniture bill because it's so small, it's $890. So I went on ahead and did that since we're going to be working with $600. But for the month of June, we're only working with $300. So we're going to sling $200 a month with the furniture bill, June and July, and then in August we're going to do $130, and then it'll be done and paid for. But for the car and for the personal loan, for June we're going to do $50 a piece. July we're going to do $300 for the car and $100. Let's see, $100 for the personal loan. You know what? I could have did. No, I couldn't. I'm just looking at the paper, you guys. So yeah, $100 there. August, $170 for the car, $300 for the personal loan, and then September, that's where we're going to amp it up so we can knock that interest off for the personal loan. So we're going to do $500 all the way until December, and we're going to stop, and we're just going to do the $50 for December, and then we're going to go back to the car and we're going to do $100 because that will equal out to be the $600, and then December we're going to drop the $550, which will have us left to make $1,030, and I can make that extra money from Shipt. So that means I'll have to make $148 a month from Shipt. All right. So I'm going to update you guys probably in the middle of June on what's going on and how I'm doing so far. So you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, leave comments down below, and check out my latest video. Bye.